Hi everyone, welcome to the Best of Cat series by IMS. This is Amit Panchmatia with your next question on arithmetic. This question is a question on time, speed, distance and a question on circular races. So let's have a look at it very carefully. They've told us that John jogs at 6 kilometers per hour and Mary jogs at 7.5 kilometers per hour. Their speeds are 6 and 7. The total length of the track A and B is 325 meters. While John makes 9 rounds of track A, Mary covers 5 rounds of track B. In how many seconds will Mary make 1 round of track A? So first what we'll have to do is we'll have to find the length of the tracks. So let's assume that the track which John is jogging is X whatever, kilometers or meters, whatever. So X meters because 325 meters that is. Right, so John jogs on a track which is X meters at a speed of 6. While he covers 9 rounds, so 9 into x divided by his speed 6 will be the time taken by him, which should be equal to the time taken by Mary for her track. That is y into 5 divided by 7.5, right? So start reducing it over here. 5 ones are 5, 1.5. 1.5 will go 4 times in 6. So I've got x upon y is 4 upon 9. Now, don't sit and find unnecessarily both the tracks. We want to know in how many seconds will Mary cover track A. So the length of track A will become 4 upon 13 into 325. That will be 13 2s are 26 and we've got a 5 over here. So track A is 100 meters. We want to find out how much time will Mary take in seconds. In how many seconds? Understand that. That's very important. Right. So let's leave this as meters only. Her speed was 7.5 kilometers per hour. Now let's convert this kilometers per hour to meters per second. How do you convert a kilometer per hour to meters per second? You multiply by 5 by 18. You can remove the decimal. You can make it 75 by 10. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 3 6s are, 3 25s are. So the speed for Mary is 25 by 12 meter per second. Now, let's find out what do we want to find out? We want to find out the time. So time taken will be 100 meters divided by 25 by 12, which will be 100 into 12 upon 25. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. Answer is 48 seconds, which will be the time taken by Mary to cover 1 round of track A. So I thought that was a pretty simple question, not very difficult, even though it looked like a circular races question. A lot of students have this mindset that if a question is from time, speed, distance or circular races, it's going to be a difficult question. I thought this was a very standard, simple, straightforward question.